So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Advanced Settings. Once this comes up, on the left hand side again, you want to click on Inbound Rules. And now on the right hand side, click on New Rule. You want to select Port and then click on Next. And then select UDP. And now in this box, you want to type in 49152-65535 and then click on Next. Keep it on Allow the Connection and then click on Next. Keep all of this ticked and then click on Next. You can call it anything you want. I'll just call it Gaming and then click on Finish. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, go to search and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it and then click on Other Troubleshooters. You want to find Network and Internet. Click on Run. And now this will come up, the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. Next, you want to make sure that you're using an Ethernet cable. This is the single best way to reduce ping and packet loss. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig //flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh windsock reset and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.